Hey, I'm Haley from Your Host Fitness, here to tell you about downward dog. So we're just going to stick to the basics. Really easy to get to. Let's start to get into it from our hands and our knees, right? From here, you're going to tuck your toes under and lift your sit bones into the air. See, I'm kind of making like a pyramid. I want to let my heels relax to the ground. I want to lift my sit bones to the sky, lengthening the back of my legs. I'm letting my upper body, my head sink through my arms, so I also feel a stretch in my upper back or my thoracic spine. You can make sure your head is relaxed by shaking it yes or no. You could pedal your feet one heel to the ground at a time, or you can just hold it here. A great amount of time is 5 breaths. Easiest way to come down is slowly lower yourself back to your knees. You do lots of yoga, you can always bring it down all the way down to your stomach. But if you want to keep it easy, just drop back on your knees. If you want to learn more, go downward dog or lots of other stretches. Check out the article, the link's in the description. Keep stretching, have an awesome day.